In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best air fryers on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best air fryers on Amazon. Number 1, Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone Air Fryer, 2 independent baskets, smart finish and match cook, XL capacity, great. DualZone technology, cook 2 different foods at the same time with separate baskets, smart finish and match cook, sync cooking times or copy settings for full capacity cooking, 6-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat and dehydrate. XL 8 QD capacity, ideal for families or batch cooking, healthier meals, enjoy crispy food with little to no oil, easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates make mealtime faster and easier with the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone Air Fryer. Designed with 2 independent 4-quart baskets, it allows you to cook different dishes simultaneously, saving time and effort in the kitchen. The innovative Smart Finish feature ensures both foods are ready at the same time, while Match Cook lets you quickly duplicate settings for larger portions. With 6 versatile cooking functions, you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, or dehydrate all in one appliance. Its 8-quart capacity makes it perfect for family meals, and the rapid air circulation delivers crispy, delicious results with less oil. Plus, the non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Perfect for busy households looking for quick, easy, and healthier cooking. Number 2, Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer Oven, 7-in-1 with EvenCrisp technology, rotisserie, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, reheat, stainless steel. 7-in-1 versatility, air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat and rotisserie. EvenCrisp technology delivers crispy, golden results with less oil. Large 10 QD capacity, perfect for families, meal prep, and whole chicken. Rotisserie. Built-in rotisserie function, ideal for juicy, evenly cooked meats, fast preheating, cook meals quickly and efficiently. 100+ in app recipes, access guided recipes via the Instant Pot app. Stainless steel design, durable, modern look for any kitchen, cook smarter and healthier with the Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer Oven, designed to bring versatility and convenience to your kitchen. With 7-in-1 functionality, you can air fry crispy snacks, roast meats, bake desserts, or even prepare a delicious rotisserie chicken all in one appliance. Powered by EvenCrisp technology, this air fryer ensures a perfect balance of crunch and tenderness using little to no oil. The extra-large 10-quart capacity makes it ideal for families or entertaining guests, giving you enough space to cook complete meals in one go. Enjoy the convenience of fast preheating and explore 100+ in-app recipes to discover new dishes with ease. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks great but also offers durability and easy cleaning. Perfect for quick meals, family cooking, and healthier frying with maximum versatility. Number 3, Philips Dual Basket Air Fryer 3000 Series, 9.5 QD, 9L, 8-in-1, 2 drawers, autosync, rapid air technology, 90% less fat, Home ID app, dishwasher safe, black, NA351/00, dual basket design, 2 drawers, large plus small, for cooking mains and sides at the same time. Autosync cooking time ensures both dishes finish together. Hot and ready to serve. 8-in-1 functions, air fry, bake, roast, grill, reheat, dehydrate and more. Rapid air technology, even heat circulation for crispy, tender results every time. Up to 90% less fat, enjoy healthier meals with little to no oil. 9.5 QD XL capacity, ideal for family meals and large portions. Home ID app recipes, access hundreds of guided recipes and cooking tips, dishwasher safe parts, easy cleaning with non-stick baskets. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Philips Dual Basket Air Fryer 3000 Series, designed for convenience, speed, and healthier meals. Featuring 2 drawers of different sizes, it allows you to prepare a complete meal at once. Cook your main dish in the large basket while making sides in the smaller one. With autosync technology, both baskets finish cooking at the same time, so everything is served fresh and hot. The powerful rapid air technology circulates hot air evenly around and through your food, delivering crispy. Number 4, Cuisinart Air 180 Air Fryer, 6-quart large basket, 4-in-1 air fry, bake, roast and keep warm, 3 presets, PFAS-free, dishwasher safe, black and stainless steel. 4-in-1 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast and keep warm for everyday versatility. Large 6 QD capacity, cook family meals like wings, fries, or even a whole chicken. 3 smart presets, quick cooking for wings, fries and frozen snacks. PFAS-free non-stick baskets, safer ceramic coating with no intentionally added harmful chemicals. High performance heating, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, fast, crispy results with powerful airflow. Dishwasher safe parts, easy cleanup with removable basket and crisper plate. Enjoy fast, crispy, and healthier meals with the Cuisinart Air 180 air fryer. Designed with a large 6-quart basket, it's perfect for preparing family-sized portions, from golden fries to juicy chicken and roasted vegetables. With 4 versatile cooking functions, this air fryer lets you air fry, bake, roast, or keep food warm all in one compact appliance. The 3 preset options make cooking quick and simple, while adjustable temperature controls up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensure perfect results every time. Built for convenience and safety. Number 5 Ninja Foodi DZ550 Smart XL10 QT6-in-1 DualZone air fryer with smart cook thermometer, 2 independent baskets, match cook and smart finish, stainless steel/black smart cook thermometer. Achieve perfect doneness automatically with built-in temperature probe. DualZone technology. Cook 2 foods, 2 ways at the same time in independent baskets. Smart finish and match cook. Sync cooking times or copy settings across both baskets. 6-in-1 functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate. XL10 QT capacity, ideal for large families, cook mains and sides together. IQ Boost technology distributes power for faster, efficient cooking. Wide temperature range.